start. Alright. This is harder than it looks. Oh, oh, it gets in the way. Ah. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, shit, it's harder. It's really, really harder than you might think. Okay. Oh, shit. And now it's turning. All right, come on now. Come on, girl. Come on. Dude, it's way harder than you might.
I know. Looks like it.
Come on.
Ah, pretty good.
Difficult.
Pretty good.
Damn.
Well,
Okay.
you know, you have to drink the whole beer.
I got a technique that worked. Oddly enough, teeth. Oh,
There you go.
Come on! Most of it's going pretty well.
You're
to
doing
be
pretty
honest.
good. You're
Yeah.
doing pretty good. Well, and then it's going to be a fun challenge when two people have to race. You know?
Yeah. Okay, hang on. Oh, shit. Shit. Okay. Alright, we got it. We're good. Alright, we're going to bring it back down the center. That's what we're going to do. I got a lot of it in that one.
Yeah, you've done pretty well for the first try.
Alright. Whoa! This is so much more challenging than I thought it was going to be. It's kind of brilliant. Alright, come on. Well, I guess I'm changing my shirt. Alright. Come on. Alright. It's weird how much leaning takes a toll in it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Come on, you fucker. I've got so much beer on my glasses. If it falls out, it changes. All right, here we go. Come on. Nice and easy. This is like a battle of wits. Anybody who's not willing to just dump it on them will not get this fast.
Mm-hmm. It's you against the beer.
Yeah.
See who wins.
Excuse me. God, that's not attractive. You see how it shifts like that?
I sure do.
Alright, so next we're getting a circular router, so that's even. I almost gotta like use the momentum of it.
Yeah. You just gotta lean even further back.
Dude, it makes...
If it's
oh,
possible.
God. You know what? Ooh. Oh, God. Alright, here we go. Come on now. Oh, no. It's just a momentum game. Okay. Come on now. That went up my sinuses. The things I do for entrepreneurship. Come on. I can't, man.
I think that's.
Is there any
I
left?
think barely.
Okay,
That's.
you know what? Good enough.
I think you done good, Corey.
Wow.